Hi, it's James Ashley here, dentist at Woodlands and Church Road Dental Practice. A small change to our service that we're currently offering. It's still heavily restricted, but we are trying to see how we can offer more advice and reassurance to patients and potentially do that in person. The first step in this process will still be ringing the practice and having some discussion with the receptionist over what you are struggling with, what the problem is. The receptionist will then book appropriate cases in for a telephone consultation with the dentist. We hope to do that on the same day when possible. Following that, if the telephone consultation comes to the conclusion that it will be useful or appropriate to have an assessment in person, we would look to try and book that again, if possible, on the same day. That may be difficult in times where we're more busy, and we would also prioritise people in severe pain or with swellings that are of a concern. So a similar service to what we have now in actual treatments available, in that it would be mainly extractions, but for patients who aren't sure what tooth their trouble is coming from, or if they don't know how bad the damage is to the tooth and need a face-to-face assessment to help decide, there may be more opportunity now for face-to-face assessments to be provided. Under the NHS, these are provided under level 1, which is an urgent charge, and that appointment does get charged whether you have any treatment or not. So if the assessment leads to a decision for no treatment, or whether the assessment leads to a decision for possibly an extraction, it's the same charge, currently £22.70. I think that's right. So anybody with concerns and ongoing problems, please, you can still ring the practice and we will do our best to reassure you through the process and have potentially more options now for face-to-face assessments when appropriate. Thank you for listening.